Hey guys, welcome back to another food review. And today, me and my mom we went to the Puente Hills Mall, and look over here we got hot dog on a stick. They got a new food right here, and look, Cheetos on a hot dog. Look at that. There's cheese. Look at that. Okay, so I'm gonna do a first bite on the first time. So here I go. One, two, three. Mmm. 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 It goes really well with the chips. The flaming hot Cheetos. So here we go, one more. Hmm. Mm. Mm. I can taste the Cheetos and the Cheeto powder and the cheese. So this one I might have to give it 9 out of 10 corn dogs. So guys, what do you think of this food review? Well, let me know in the comments below. Leave a like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you never miss a video. Anyways, guys, I'll see you all tomorrow. Have a good day. Have a good night. Peace.